Go ahead. Good boy. How was that? How's the new heated basket? Come on. Try this out. Heated basket. Come on. Pouncy's heated basket design 2.0. I cleaned up the wiring. I went to a low voltage system so it didn't interfere with my microphone, and if he claws at it, he's not going to get shocked. We have a thermostat, an adjustable temperature. We got Pouncy. The basket is now lined with thermal insulation, so it is nice and cozy in there. Huh? What do you think? Huh? Is it nice in there?
Clark, it's time to go night-night. Come on.
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, 'cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boops. Boop. That's right. Boop.
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.